Okay, so we're going to do our fourth grade HH find words using context. So let's see what the question says. Select the word that means able to be trusted. Able to be trusted. Someone I can trust. Able to be trusted. Something I can trust, okay? Okay, so what word would mean able to be trusted? When searching on the internet, it is often best to visit more than one website. Sites published by experts and universities are usually reliable. So they're saying sites that are published by experts in university. These are things we can trust, are usually reliable. So I'm going to say reliable, submit, and we got one right. Select the word that means medicine or treatment. Taking vitamin C is a proper remedy for the common cold. But does it really work? Studies show that vitamin C won't prevent someone from getting a cold. It might, however, shorten the length of the cold. So I need something that means medicine or treatment. Taking vitamin C is a proper remedy, is a proper medicine, is a proper treatment for the common cold. I think remedy's it. Select the word that means made bigger. Remember, you have these, it'll read it for you. Georgia O'Keeffe was one of the most important and well-known American painters in the 20th century. She is remembered for presenting nature from new angles. For example, she used bold lines and bright colors when painting shells or bones. In her flower paintings, she often enlarged a single bloom until it filled an entire canvas. Well, I'm thinking when we're talking about filling an entire canvas, I'm probably going to have my word somewhere around there because this is something making bigger. A blossom, a single blossom, is a small bud of a plant. So let's look at this sentence. In her flower painting, she often enlarged a single blossom until it filled an entire canvas. I think it's enlarged. Okay, so that is an example of how we do this. So this is for LT5 is our search for this, but we're using find words using context.